They are relatives of people. They are real human beings. So they can't just give themselves up to criminals. There's no way they will do that. They need to defend themselves. But the second front, they need to survive so that they defend the community against another criminal tomorrow. So they need to spare themselves so that tomorrow they are available, so that they protect all of us, including whoever out there. So we encourage them to be quite alert on those two fronts, and we support them, and we welcome things like what happened there, and so on. Now that's the first thing that we tackled. Now I must say that as far as camps are concerned, we've given instruction that we must run through the country and really do an investigation. Now that investigation is underway to determine whether we don't have camps that are like the one that we found in Mpumalanga. That is underway. And that one, you know, about 95 Libyans who are in the custody, and process is underway on that one.